So the pre-series speculations continue about the makeup and balance of the West Indies team going into the first test of the post-COVID series against England. The case is being made for off-spinner Rakeem Cornwall to be in the 11 instead of going for 3 pacers along with Jason Holder, with Ruston Chase providing the spin option. The case for Cornwall is based on his performance in his last test, where he took some 10 wickets in the one-off test against Afghanistan in India. But with all due respect, that was from last November, and English conditions are different. The wickets in England are expected to offer bounce and the conditions to help swing bowling. Conventional cricket wisdom would suggest a 4-pronged seam attack, and it's not like Rakeem Cornwall is a spin wizard. So my option for the first test would be to play 6 specialist batsmen, with the wicketkeeper Shane Dorich batting at 7 and Jason Holder batting at 8, and then the 3 pacers. And look, although we beat England the last time we played, the English will have blood in them eye wanting back this Wisden trophy, especially in England. So if the West Indies are to have any chance of pulling off a victory, then we have to get the balance right. I tell you what, send this to them in England. Send this over England. Yes, yes, yes. It's the script for tonight's sports commentary. Yes, 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 yes. Tell them to pick the team up on this. Yeah, hold on. Let me post it.